A cancer diagnosis can bring fear and uncertainty to patients and their loved ones. At Sanofi, our mission is to transform cancer from a disease we fear into a manageable condition. Our portfolio is growing rapidly across various cancer types: multiple myeloma and other blood cancers, lung, and prostate. Sanofi has more than 10 compounds in all phases of clinical trials and over a dozen major research and development technology platforms that may help address a variety of cancer targets. We want patients to have control of their lives again. Laugh at the little things, focus at work, make a family dinner. We are listening to every discomfort to see where we can help, offering patient support services like Care Assist to help ease emotional and financial burdens for patients and caregivers so that they can better navigate living with cancer. Sanofi will work tirelessly with integrity and passion while partnering across the industry because fighting cancer demands teamwork. Working to fuel breakthrough discoveries with novel biologic platforms, antibody-drug conjugates, fusion proteins, multi-specific antibodies, nanobody technology, syntherins. We are testing diverse therapies to discover treatment combinations that tackle targets in both immuno-oncology and molecular oncology. We will continuously learn from clinical trials and develop novel treatments for hematologic malignancies and solid tumors. Until cancer is no longer feared, we will work to extend lives, ease burdens, and restore hope to those impacted by cancer.